I will walk you through exactly how to get 1% better at sculpting every single day. So you probably might have heard of this term before, that get better 1% every day, but you're practicing for hours, you're watching different tutorials, you're sculpting references, you're finding different things and trying things, but still you feel like you're stuck in the same place, or even worse, you might feel like you're backtracking a bit. So this video is for you. And I know this because, bro, I faced this as well. I was stuck for 6 years. I tried and gave up sculpting so many times. It was extremely overwhelming. No matter what I tried, I was stuck at the same level that I was. I got a few bit of hit and misses with these cute characters, but the characters that I wanted to make, you can see that they were really, really bad, bro. And now, not only have I gotten results for myself, but I am also helping other young artists figure out their sculpting issues and breaking free of tutorial hell. So you can see the results here. You can see all of the amazing results that we have here. And all of these results are from my free 1 month sculpting challenge. It's a free course, but more on that later. For now, just make it full screen, make the video 2x so that you can get through this faster, and let's dive in. The first thing that you want to understand is that there's a stuck Jerry, bro. And what a Jerry does, bro, is a Jerry is someone who's practicing for 3 to 4 hours. Bro. He's watching tutorials, he's watching courses, he's sculpting almost every day, but still, he's stuck for years. He feels like he's not progressing. On the other hand, we have a Da Vinci, and Da Vinci practices for just 1 hour. He also is watching tutorials and courses. He sculpts every day, but he's also fairly new at sculpting. So Jerry has been trying to do this for years, is working harder, and Da Vinci is working less and is very new. But 3 months later, what happens is that Jerry is still stuck in the same place. He has little to no results. He's like, bro, this is not for me. I should definitely give this up. He's stuck in the same place. But Da Vinci, on the other hand, bro, he has massive results. He's confident in the sculpts that he makes, and he just makes whatever inspires him. He opens up Pinterest, he sees the reference, and he's able to sculpt it. And you might ask this, bro, like, both of them are practicing. Both of them are putting in the work. Both of them are consuming and learning. But why? Why is Da Vinci able to progress so much quicker, but Jerry is stuck in the same place? Both of them are practicing, and you're probably practicing as well, but you're stuck in the same place. The thing that you need to realize, though, is that it's not about the time you practice, like how long do I practice, but it's about what and how you practice. Okay, so the way that a Jerry practices is that a Jerry, he practices mindlessly. He has no intention whatsoever. He just finds random references on Pinterest. He thinks, okay, maybe one day I should learn the eyes. Let me try to make another face tomorrow. Let me try to sculpt the arms this day. Let me try to sculpt the body. Let me try to make a full body character. Let me try to find some references on Pinterest. Let me use AI to generate some references. But it's super trendy, and he's just trying these different things. He's also running away from discomfort. So whenever he feels like, okay, he feels like he's stuck at the same place and there's something he needs to change, instead of working on himself, bro, he just changes the source. He's like, nah, bro, this instructor sucks. He doesn't know how to teach how to sculpt the arms. And then he finds another instructor, and then he finds another instructor, and then he finds another video. Instead of trying to dive in and feel like, okay, bro, maybe it's me who sucks. I need to practice the arm deliberately. No, he's trying to find a shortcut that might work. And whenever he does learn, he's just learning like a doctor. He's memorizing these stupid names, the sternocleidomastoid, the rectus abdominis, the sonatus anterior, and things that does not help him at all. He's preparing for a medical exam, but he's not getting better at sculpting. And yeah, like I said, he's just practicing randomly from different instructor, whatever inspires him, whatever he thinks is cool, bro. Let me try sculpting it. Whatever's trendy, bro. Oh, Invincible is out now. Let me make Conquest. Oh, the boys just finished. Let me make Homelander, bro. And yeah, the more I sculpt, the better I will get. That is what he has in his mind. And that is how he's been practicing. What this leads to, bro, is this leads to burnout and demotivation. He tries things, he doesn't work out, and then he's like, oh boy, sculpting is not for me. He's confused that, okay, bro, I'm watching this instructor. He says block out. This instructor says freestyle. This instructor says use binder topology. This instructor says, no, bro, use remesh. This instructor says remember, and he's just confused, bro. In that pool of information, he's just overwhelmed and he has action paralysis. Okay, where do I start? Where do I end? Do I learn the muscles first? Do I learn the skeleton first? Do I learn the body first? Do I learn an Asian face first? And he's just completely overwhelmed, bro. This is also why he hates anatomy. He thinks, oh, bro, I just cannot learn anatomy. Anatomy is unbearable, bro. and he's just not seeing results. He wants to improve 1% every day, but with everything that he's doing, bro, he is not seeing results. Da Vinci, on the other hand, bro, when he wants to get 1% better every day, what he does is he practices deliberately for 1 hour. Just 1 hour every single day, but with intention. He consumes only one source of information. Instead of overwhelming himself with different instructors, he just watches one instructor who's really good. He also embraces discomfort. He knows that he sucks at sculpting the eyes, so he practices the eyes deliberately. He knows he sucks at making the arms, he practices the arms deliberately. Whatever he thinks he's struggling with, he embraces the discomfort. And I want you to realize that learning is not a comfortable process. The only sign of growth is discomfort. Discomfort is the indicator of growth. So whenever you feel uncomfortable, that is what you should be doing. And Da Vinci learns anatomy like an artist. He doesn't learn it like a doctor. So he focuses only on a few muscle groups that he can see. He trains his observation. He finds the patterns that he can repeatedly see on every body. Instead of 600 muscles, he just memorizes, he just learns and understands a few muscle groups, and he's able to sculpt whatever he wants. And when he knows that he struggled at something, he works on that area deliberately. And let me show you an example of Da Vinci's process. So the members inside my community, they are getting insane results. And the reason they are getting insane results is because they are practicing the way that I'm telling you, deliberately, with intention. And you can see Henry, day 13 posted this, bro. And you can see all of these results here. Frank sculpted Kratos in 30 days. Alex's testimonial here. And yeah, if you're wondering, you will learn way quicker than suffering on your own with the convoluted 200 hours. Yes, bro. So the My Anatomy course is the best. And what? You're not satisfied? You want more results? Let me show you, bro. So this is me, bro. When I was stuck, when I was practicing like a Jerry, when I was doing all of the Jerry stuff, I was struggling for years, bro. I was doing everything else, making these cute characters here and there. And whenever it was time to sculpting, bro, I would chicken out. Or when I would practice for 4 hours, find random references on Pinterest, sculpt Rick and Morty because it was cool, sculpt Spider-Man because the Spider-Verse movie was out, and you can see, bro, it sucks. This is not that bad, bro. But yeah, I would get these hit and misses, but whenever I wanted to make characters that I liked, I sucked. And the only time that I got improvement was when I started to practice deliberately, when I started to embrace the discomfort, when I had to sculpt the same face over and over again, watch the same video tutorial course over and over and over and over and over again, just for it to make sense. It wasn't comfortable. But that is when I started seeing results. And you can see me now, the kind of sculpts that I make now, which are insane. But this is where I began, bro. Because I went through all of this is why I can sculpt all of this. Have a look here. Look at the results that my free course is producing, bro. In 14 days, 20 days, 22 days, 9 days, 32 days. Yeah, so many results. Have a look at the results that I'm getting inside the Da Vinci School, where we dive deeper into more detailed stuff like anatomy, female anatomy, and other stuff. Look at where the students started and where they are now. And all of this because we only practice deliberately, with intention. We want to improve 1% every day. So instead of practicing randomly, mindlessly like a retard, bro, you learn like an artist. So what you need to do, bro, is you need to realize that if you're doing any of this, bro, if you're memorizing bones and muscles, anatomy diagrams, sculpting pose, whatever, bro, if you're doing all of this, bro, you will not improve 1% every day. If you want to improve 1% every day, you don't need to add more time practicing. You just need to shift. You just need to change how you are practicing. Instead of doing all of this bullshit, what you do is you practice deliberately for 1 hour every single day. You work on area that you are weak in. That is your uncomfortable area. The things that you are avoiding are the things that you need to do. And don't bullshit me saying, oh, bro, but Ishaq, I can sculpt for 1 hour every single day. Bro, you edge the toilet for more than an hour. You spend more time on social media, more than an hour. Go check your screen time. Tell me right now, what are you spending your time on? And then you come and say, bro, I don't have time to sculpt. No. You have a priority problem. You have the time. You're just spending it somewhere else, like shitting around. I don't know, bro. Whatever you're doing, stop doing that and start sculpting instead. And work on areas that make you uncomfortable. Because that uncomfortable area is where you need to improve. Okay? And then you learn anatomy like an artist, not like a doctor. Stop memorizing names, bro. It does not help you make a better sculptor. I know people who know anatomy front and back, all 600 names, bro. The only thing they can't do is sculpt. That is ridiculous. And I've also seen other very talented artists, and they are not aware of these bullshit terms because you just do not need them. You are an artist. You need to learn how to sculpt by observing shapes and how to replicate them. And please, for God's sake, stop relying on motivation. Stop being like, bro, I don't have the motivation today. Like, if you can suck it up and you can go to school and study whether you feel like it or you don't, you can suck it up for yourself and learn how to sculpt. If you can suck it up, go to your work, show up for your boss, you can suck it up for yourself as well, bro. If you are working so hard for other people, you can work hard for yourself. This is a matter of self respect. Have some self respect, bro. Start being accountable. Stop being a Jerry. You do all of this, you will improve 1% every single day. If you need structured learning, I have a free course linked in the description. It's absolutely free. And within 1 month, you can get this transformation. I've already shown you the insane results that I'm getting within 2 weeks, bro. It's absolutely non-medical, step by step, 100% free. And we only focus on the things that get you results. But if you want to make results even quicker, then just join the waiting list for the Da Vinci School. And whenever the applications open, I will reach out to you personally so that you can apply and get inside. You get more courses inside. We dive into deeper topics. You also get one-to-one support. So I will personally be helping you achieving your goals. And if you are unable to sculpt full body characters independently on your own in 3 months, bro, I will work with you for free until you do. So just join the waiting list. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Stop being a Jerry, bro. Here's a fist bump. Good luck.